Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab. Select the shape. Change the color. Select the 3D shape. Extension. Duplicate the shape. Select another shape. Change the color. Select the 3D shape. Extension. Then select the text edit. Select animal. Select a shape of fruit to back the shape. Change the background color. Adjust the color of shape. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.